Hi, welcome back. Sunday morning. And look at this guy. Oh, you just got a treat, didn't you? Just got a treat. Oh, she can cruise around. That's fine.
That's young. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pet lady. Oh my gosh, and you have a pug in a bucket.
This is a Frenchie named Buster.
Oh.
And he is in a bucket. Yeah, he's a French bulldog.
Oh, yeah.
And he is ready for his mud bath.
Oh my gosh, are you sure? Are you sure he's ready for his mud bath?
I think he likes it in here.
I think he loves it in there, and he loves all the attention. Look at that face.
I know.
Look at that face. Yes, mister. So, okay, so what are we doing? First of all, we're talking about traveling.
Yeah, summer travel tips.
Yeah, with your pets.
With your pet, of course.
Which so many people bring their pets, of course.
The furry family member wants to come along for the ride, too. So we're getting ready for Labor Day weekend. We're traveling with our pets.
Uh-oh.
And I have some great things you can bring along for the ride.
Okay, then. Let's get
going.
First of all, what's with the mud bath?
So it's all about hydration, relaxation, and identification.
Yeah.
So the mud bath is a great way to really relax your dog out, give him a chillaxing mud bath.
Yeah.
And
do you do the mud baths with him?
Yeah, you can. You can.
You can.
So I want to talk about a couple other things, and then we'll do the grand finale.
Okay, cool.
On Buster here.
All right.
This is great for traveling in the car.
That's a great carrier.
It's the Sturdy Products single pop-up, and it actually has straps back here, so you can buckle it in.
Yeah.
Buckle up for safety.
Yeah, sure, like a seatbelt, right?
Yeah, and you can put a cat in here, a dog. It's great for traveling on the road. To bring Fido along. It's great for the hotel room too.
It's perfect.
A nice place to contain your dog if you don't have a bucket.
It folds up.
It folds right up.
Yeah, it gets really small.
And if your pet has anxiety on the road, you can get the AKC Calming Coat. It's available in new colors, which is really fun, pink and blue. And that really just like hugs around your dog and makes them relaxed so that they're not afraid of travel, they don't have any anxiety, and you don't have to give them any medicine.
So it gives them a sense of security?
Exactly. Yep,
makes
just like
them feel like
swaddling
they're
a baby.
being hugged?
Yeah, it's like a little hug.
Oh,
it's like a hug jacket.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you have any unpleasant smells along the way, you've got to get the CritterZone.
Aromas?
The CritterZone USA.
Yes.
You just plug it into the wall, and it gets rid of pet smells, stinky feet smells, mold smells. If you have a cat that makes stink bombs, it's especially good. So you just plug that in.
I'm not familiar with the stink bomb, but
that's good for you.
Oh yeah, good for me is right.
And then this is a new identification tag called the Twigo tags. I love this.
Yeah.
You actually just write on the back of it with a pen, any kind of pen, dunk it in some boiling water, pull it out, and it's good to go. It's going to last forever. No engraving machines. If you're going to be...
How clever is that?
If Buster is spending the night, you can just write your own phone number.
Yeah.
So it's great for pet sitters.
Oh, that really is great.
And there's all these cute little colors and patterns.
Yeah, and you can have your own personality on there.
Exactly.
Whatever, put a little star.
Sure.
Happy face.
Peace signs, whatever you're into.
A heart.
KUSI.
So, anything.
Anything.
All right, so what do we got? What's his name again?
This is Buster.
Okay, Buster. Watch Buster. Buster's like, what are you doing
We're
to me,
gonna
man?
first just give him a little water here.
He's like, oh, this is where we're going again, huh?
And today we are going...
I got Buster. I caught Buster. Maybe Buster doesn't like this so much. Let me help you with the Buster.
So this is the mud bath.
Buster, it's the mud, buddy.
Mud, which actually means big dog in Gaelic.
Big dog.
Big dog.
All right.
So this is the soothing mud bath. It's really good for their skin.
Whoa, all right.
We're just going to take a little bit here. You want to smell it?
Yeah.
It smells good. It smells nice,
beautiful.
Right?
Yeah.
And it's so calming and relaxing for them. It's just like giving him a nice little massage.
Yeah, he knows what's going on now.
He already calmed down.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And no more jumping out.
It's like a little menthol.
Yeah, it's a little menthol.
So that feels good on his skin. It's probably really good for his skin, too.
Yeah,
in terms
it's
of
good for
treating
our skin, too.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think,
I've seen those
Buster?
fancy places that do
give you
all
a little bit more.
All that mud. So how much is the mud bath? How much is one of those?
The mud bath is about $24.99.
Is it?
And it's good for one bath.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you this is kind of like a special treat, not something that you need to do all the time.
Right.
Yes.
Oh,
he loves it.
Look at him.
He loves it. And then you always want
jumping now.
to do a sweet reward, right?
And a sweet treat.
So give him a pill pocket or a Minties. You can get these at Walmart. They're $5. Great for on the road.
Oh, see, these are like little mouthwash. Little mouthwash.
Yes, it actually has real mint in it, so it actually makes their breath smell fresher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Which Buster could really use.
As most dogs could really use. All right, well, good stuff. And what do we got down here? Oh, some of the bones and things like that. Yeah, the Minties.
The Minties.
Is what they are. The Minties, of course. All right, well, we got it all covered from the carriers to the mud bath to getting rid of the stinkies.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
So pack some water for the road, too.
So if anybody wants to get a hold of you for any reason, Do you have like a Pet Lady website?
Sure, you can get most of these things on Amazon.
Yeah.
And you can check out the Pet Lady website.
The Pet Lady website. Why not? I'm sure you'll find some interesting things there. All right, Buster, you continue on with your mud bath there, buddy.
Yeah, we're going to continue
No
on.
more jumping out of the bucket. This is his mud bath bucket challenge.
Yeah, exactly. Ice-free.
You got it. All right, thanks, Pet Lady. We'll see you later. Bye,
Thank you.
Buster. Oh, Buster's happy he's licking you now.
Look over
He likes
here.
the flavor of it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Buster, there he is. Okay, look over here, Buster. Over here. Over here.
Kidding.